honey. Oh, hi, sweetie. Are you excited for tonight? Overjoyed? Well, I'll see you at my place. Little does he know what I'm about to do. Are you ready? All then. Inappropriate people. Well, good night. Wait, what about the question you were going to tell me? You can wait till morning. Oh, okay. Then I'll be perfect. Hey, you were great last night. You too. So, what was the thing you were going to tell me? Oh, yes. Well, I hope that was nice. Oh, are you kidding? I just got choked. You won't be talking from now on. Huh? By the way, I'm pregnant. Really? Yes. And now, I'll just have to kill you. Wait, why? What did I ever do to you? You don't remember, do you? Oh well. This will be a piece of cake. Wait, what? Perfect. Goodbye, honey buns. Well, that was our trailer of She-Devil, a new series coming out soon. Please subscribe. My name is Carlos.